Hi everyone! Welcome to Origami with Josie, origami during coronavirus quarantine. And today we're going to fold an owl. To start, I've selected a square piece of green paper. You can use any color you like. Start by folding the paper over to the white side, and we're going to fold a crease here and here. Open the model up and rotate and fold the next crease. Open the model up again, flip over to the colored side and rotate like a diamond. Now we're going to fold a crease here and here. Open the model up again and rotate and fold again. Open the model up, flip it over to the white side, put your finger to the center. Now we're going to rotate so that it's a square again. Take your two index fingers to the sides. Rotate like a diamond. Take your two index fingers to the sides. Bring them together. Bring them down to the table. Hold with one hand and flatten with the other. Easy. The next part of this folding is a technique I developed myself. I've never seen it done anywhere else. And this is going to make we're going to fold some pre-creases that's going to make the next step much simpler. So right now there should be two flaps on either side. You're going to pick up the top flap on the left, fold it over to the right. Then you're going to pick up the right top flap, which you just folded over. We're going to fold this edge to the center. Then we're going to fold that flap back over to the left. We're going to repeat it on the right side in reverse. So pick up the right top flap, send it over to the left. Take this edge and fold it to the center line. And then pick that top flap up and fold it back to the right side. Now it looks like a kite. Flip the model over. We're going to repeat that one more time. Pick up the top left flap, send it to the right, fold that edge to the center, and pick that flap back up again and send it to the left. Repeat on the right side. Pick the flap up, send it to the left now. Pick this edge up and send it to the center. And pick up that flap and send it to the right side. Now you should have a very clean looking kite shape without any openings. Here we have plenty of openings showing, so we don't want that. Now we're going to reach into the right side, unfold the two flaps, but keeping that closed kite shape up facing. And then we're going to repeat on the left, reach in, unfold both of these flaps. Now we're going to take this point and fold it down so that we crease a line right here. Open back up again, fold the model over. We're going to crease that same crease again the opposite direction. This is where the magic happens. We've made pre-creases up until this point. Now we're going to lift up the raw edge, put your index finger in the triangle, send that point up, take your opposite hand, and sometimes the paper will try to fold in on itself. That's okay. So we're going to, these pre-creases that we made are going in the correct direction. So then we're just going to flatten the model like that. Like magic. Easy. Easy, easy. Flip the model over and we're going to repeat that. So put your index finger here. Open the top raw edge up. Send it up to the top. With your other hand, bring the points that are down, down, and flatten on those creases you made already. Easy. And we're going to take this top point and send it down, flip the model over, and repeat. Then we're going to take this edge and fold it to the center. Repeat on the left side. Flip the model over. And repeat. Now we're going to open up these two flaps only. And we're going to fold a crease along here, sending this point down. And then we're going to send that point right back up again, folding another crease slightly above the first crease. So down. And then send it back up again. As you can see, there are two creases. I'm going to take this flap, fold it up, take this point and send it to the center. Bring that flap back down again. Now bring this top part down along this crease. Really crease those layers that are very thick around the beak. And now you'll see that we have a pre-crease here and a pre-crease here. And we're just going to take our thumb and index finger and open the model up a little and just see that diamond shape here? We're just going to send that point inside. Fold it down, you can see there. We're going to repeat on the other side. Should be a pretty straightforward maneuver. Like that. Now we're going to thin the body, so we're going to fold a crease along here on the very top layer. Like that. Repeat on the right side. Now we're going to take a hold of this top layer here and put our index finger inside. It's helpful to hold the model with the other hand. So put your index finger inside, pick up that point with your thumb. We're going to send the top of that triangle all the way up, like that. Crease underneath. We're going to repeat on the right side. Index finger inside, thumb on the point, and then we're going to send that triangle all the way up so that it resembles Batman a little bit. Then we're going to form the tail and the little feet. Pick up this bottom point, send it up to the tip of the beak, and then fold that point down and keep it above this line of the body. And if the body likes to pop out from behind the foot, what you can do is send that point higher than the beak, as you can see, and then you can fold that foot down and have more paper covering the body. And then what you can do is fold the body in half just a little bit. That'll help to encourage the body to stay. Flip the model over, and now we're going to fold the crease along here to shape the body. And you'll see that this flap naturally forms a little triangle. We're going to repeat that on the right side. Natural triangle there, flatten. And now the body really does want to stay behind that foot. The last thing we're going to do is fold the points of the little ears down. So we're going to take our thumb inside the ear and just send it down with your index finger like this, and then just pinch it closed. And then you can decide the angle that you want the ears to point. Repeat on the right side. And then decide that angle. The last thing that you can do is, if you have a small twig or a piece of paper that you fold into a point, you can show how that little foot is there and the tail is behind it. And there you have it. I really hope you enjoyed folding the owl. Stay tuned tomorrow for another exciting model. See you then!